Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by granting the app the exact permissions it needs: camera, microphone, and notifications. Once done, install the latest build and sign in with two-factor authentication so you keep session integrity. Next, open Bot Watch mode and pick the specific channels or feeds you plan to monitor. This focuses resource use. You should also set an initial sensitivity preset to medium so false positives are limited while you gather real-world behavior data. Now you configure detection and rule engines so alerts are useful instead of noisy. Start by adjusting sensitivity per feed, lower for trusted streams and higher for public ones, because that balances false positives versus misses. Add rule sets, keyword matches, behavioral patterns, and rate limit triggers to capture automated bursts. Make sure logging, snapshot capture, and quarantine actions are enabled. These let you review incidents and automatically isolate. Finish by running a brief live test. Simulate bot behavior and confirm alerts and quarantines work. Then enable auto updates and background monitoring so you maintain protection without manual checks. Monitor dashboards for 24-48 hours to validate tuning and adjust rule thresholds based on real traffic. If you notice missed alerts, increase sensitivity or refine pattern rules. If you see too many false positives, tighten keywords or add whitelists to trusted accounts to reduce noise while keeping detection effective.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.